Hi, I'm Nazmal, President of ScreamingToaster. Your business needs mobile to remain competitive. It makes sense to support multiple mobile platforms as well as the web in order to create a compelling experience for your users so that you can grow your business. We also know that mobile is not your business, but you need mobile in order to make your business run better. It is our business to know mobile and multi-platform. We can help you implement high-functioning multi-platform mobile applications and services that use location-based services, real-time communications, and push capabilities. These are not mobile web views masquerading as mobile applications. Mobile web views just make your business look inadequate. We can bring down the initial cost of implementation by up to 50%, and the cost of implementing change and supporting multiple platforms by 70%, which is a lion's share of the cost incurred during the life cycle of a mobile initiative. Some people might tell you that this is a very expensive undertaking and that you should deliver the least common denominator experience to your customers, as they will not know the difference. If that is how you view your customers, then we are not the partner for you. Hindsight is 20/20 vision, and once the race is over and you've lost, you don't want to learn from your mistakes. Use us to help you avoid making mistakes in the first place. I'm here to tell you that you can have a compelling user experience that is multi-platform, which we can implement inexpensively at creation or inception time and at change time. Additionally, it is not an accurate measurement of cost just to see how much the initial development cost is. As you evolve your products and support multiple platforms, you will find that the cost of change time rapidly outpaces this initial cost. We can mitigate the high risk and cost of rolling out changes and supporting multiple platforms at change time as well as the initial implementation. We have cost-effective consulting services to help you in your efforts to plan and build your first mobile project, or take your existing projects and extend them to support multiple platforms, mobile, web, and desktop. We call this multi-platform computing. Simply put, this means extending the reach of your cloud computing services to user experiences that can be delivered to a variety of mobile platforms like Android, BlackBerry, and iPhone, as well as on the web to desktop web browsers, and even to other services via an open SDK or an API. We can help you with enterprise information integration by crafting a cost-effective services architecture and implementation. We can help you design the user experience and workflows as well. We are a full-service, one-stop shop. Whether you are new to this journey or have been on it for a few years, we can help you with our vast array of best practices, technology, and know-how to deliver your projects on time, at the best price, at inception and change time, on a single platform or on many. Our time-tested ScreamingToaster consulting process ensures that you will gain political capital for your initiative as it's being built, long before it's even completed. You will have visibility into the entire development process. You and your management can monitor the progress of your projects as they're being built, so you can show iterative progress to your team members and management. And this is not a black box that hides everything with a nasty surprise at the end. We will work with your team to gather accurate requirements and set expectations. We will be crystal clear about how your requirements affect your budget and timeline. We will build wireframes and interaction diagrams to visualize your project even before it's built, so you can see at all times what we are working towards building. We have worked with a large variety of customers, ranging from small to large companies with many varying requirements. However, we found there are some similarities across the board that can be split into two factors. You're either getting into mobile for the first time and want mobile experiences for your existing products or services to be created, or you already have mobile initiatives and need to expand your mobile experience portfolio. In either case, we can bring down the cost of development, maintenance, change, and support. We can eliminate your risk and help you accomplish your mobile objectives quickly. Some people will tell you that BlackBerry is not a viable target platform for your mobile product in the consumer or enterprise space. However, BlackBerry does have 40% of the smartphone market share in the United States, and it would be dangerous for your business to ignore these numbers. BlackBerry is still the dominant player in both the consumer and enterprise space, despite all the hype around iPhone. Most consulting companies won't touch high-functioning BlackBerry mobile projects, and the few that do charge an exorbitant sum of money to even get started. We offer the same cost savings to BlackBerry that we do on the other mobile platforms we support. We can make BlackBerry a viable platform to port your products and services to. Traditional application development involves the creation of software silos for each supported platform. It is really expensive to roll out silos, and there are no incremental cost savings in supporting multiple platforms. The integration points with IT assets are ambiguous due to the very nature of siloed development. Tons of replication happens between silos. And finally, the underlying integration with shared IT assets causes tons of side effects when new capabilities are added to any part of a silo. Also, it gets disproportionately more risky and costly as you add silos or make changes. As you support multiple platforms for each app that you create, the stack of silos becomes even more unmanageable. Then, when you roll out new capabilities, it can become so expensive to update this existing stack of silos that it makes sense to roll out an entirely new stack of silos and make an entirely new application. So the cost of change time affects future development as well. It's not something that's easily contained and affects everything else moving forwards, putting your limited budget, time, and human capital in a straitjacket. It isn't easy to hire mobile multi-platform experts, as they're in exceptionally short supply. You don't want to hire a group of greenhorn mobile developers as full-time employees to roll out your mobile initiatives and have them learn on the job, on your dime. Leverage our skills, expertise, best practices, and vast knowledge in multi-platform mobile computing. We have been doing this for over a decade. You can hire us for a fraction of the cost of hiring a full-time staff of 60 or even 6 people. We can bring down the initial implementation costs by up to 50%, and the cost of implementing change and supporting multiple platforms by up to 70%, which is the lion's share of the cost incurred during the life cycle of a mobile initiative. Join us and make Made in America mean something once again.